Hey crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain and crypto for you. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Bitcoin from Ledger Nano X to Kraken in 2025. With crypto security more important than ever, this step-by-step guide will help you move your Bitcoin safely and efficiently. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned trader, let's dive right in. First, make sure your Ledger Nano X is fully set up and updated. Connect it to your computer and launch the Ledger Live app. Double-check that the Bitcoin app is installed on your device. This is your first line of defense for secure transactions. Next, head over to your Kraken account. Log in securely, go to the Deposit section and select Bitcoin. Kraken will generate a unique deposit address for you. Copy this address carefully. It's like a one-time key, so don't share it with anyone. Now, switch back to Ledger Live and select your Bitcoin wallet. Click on the Send button, then paste the Kraken deposit address into the recipient field. Take a moment to verify it. Typos here could mean lost funds. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer. Keep in mind that blockchain fees might apply, so check the estimated network cost to avoid surprises. Once you're ready, review all the details. Hit Confirm on Ledger Live, and then approve the transaction directly on your Ledger Nano X device by using its physical buttons. This adds an extra layer of security against online threats. After confirmation, the transaction will broadcast to the Bitcoin network. It usually takes 10 to 60 minutes to confirm, depending on network traffic. While you wait, grab a coffee or check your portfolio. Finally, once it's complete, log back into Kraken and verify that your Bitcoin has arrived in your account. If everything checks out, you're good to go. Remember, always prioritize security. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and never rush these steps. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video.